So here we are having, sorry for the interruption, the temperature is what V is directly proportional to T that we have done. So Vt is equal to V naught means initial speed plus 0.61 T, 0.6 it's increasing at which degree? 2 degree you are having now, 3 degree you are having, or 1 degree you are having. Okay. Next is effect of humidity. Speed increase with increase in humidity. We know that moisture air is there. It means liquid formation is there and speed travels faster in liquids rather than in gases. So speed of sound is what? More. Next is effect of direction of wind. If wind and speed both are in same direction, then more speed will be there. If wind and speed are in opposite direction, then less speed will be there. This V plus W representing speed of sound plus wind speed of wind, and here V minus W representing when they are in opposite. V plus means they are in same direction, V minus means they are in opposite direction. If opposite direction, speed decrease, and if in same direction, speed will increase. Now which factors which are not affecting the speed of sound? First of all, I'll talk about wavelength and amplitude, bacha. The number of relations you have done till now, there is no relationship of speed with amplitude and wavelength. So that's why it is not affected. The speed of sound will not be affected by wavelength and the amplitude. The last one we are having, effect of pressure. We know this relation, V is equal to under the root rho P upon gamma P upon rho. This is gamma. Sorry, I think I said rho at that time when we are talking about Cp on Cv. Bacha, this is gamma. Gamma P upon rho. Now what happened in this case? Whatever changes are taking place, volume is increasing, volume is decreasing, pressure is increasing, pressure is decreasing. According to that, this rho adjusts itself. क्या होता है उससे? This P upon rho will not change. When you are taking both these things together, this P upon rho will remain unchanged. So that's why there is no effect of pressure also. So the three things which doesn't affect the speed of sound is effect of pressure, wavelength and the amplitude. Okay. Next, some consequences we will do. We know that for light we don't need any medium, and for sound we need a medium. The speed of light is 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second, and speed of sound is 330 meter per second. So consequences of the larger differences in the speed of sound and that of light, we are having three things: thunder and lightning. You have done this in 7th standard also, that lightning seen much earlier than the sound you heard of thunder. Why? Because of their different speeds. Similarly, when some race is going on, the sound of fire you heard little later, but you see smoke instantaneously when it has to run. And the next one, they have given the example in your book, that is anyone who is watching the cricket here, the sound stroke later than what the batsman. Okay, again the same reasons are there because of their different speeds. Now the last one we are having, experimental verification. For this experimental verification, what we have done, we have two cliffs A and B parting at a distance D. One observer here and one observer here. This observer is also having gun and watch, and this observer is also having gun and watch. First of all, what happened? This observer fires a gun. What this observer will do? This observer will start the watch when he see the flash of the gun. Okay? And stop the watch when he heard the sound. ठीक हो गया? That is what temperature? T1. Similarly, what happened? Now this observer fires a gun. What this observer will do? Again, starts a watch when seeing the flash and stops the watch when heard the sound. Let that temperature be T2. But these time can be same also, but for taking the human error may be there, difference may be there, error probability is there, same also, different also. To remove that error, we are taking the average time, that is T1 plus T2 upon by divided by 2. This is the value of T. Now T you are having, D is given to you. Can you find out the speed? Yes, so this is the way we calculate the speed of sound when they are giving us the two people parting at the cliffs, okay, firing a gun, how we will do this. So again I am repeating, here is observer having gun and watch, here is an observer having gun and watch, and what that will do, fires a gun, he will see the flash of the gun and stop the gun when stop the watch when sound is heard. Similarly, this also do the same thing. We are having two temperatures T1 and T2. T is equal to T1 plus T2 divided by 2. This is your average time, and V is equal to D upon T. This is all about your temperature. Numericals are left. I'll post that numericals. Have a good day, bacha. Post your doubts, but before that, give a thorough reading to this chapter.